Hi, I'm Tom Coughing, CEO of Coughing Data Warehousing, and thank you for coming. We're going to learn about Teradata and the brilliant row number analytics. So let's build a query very quickly, joining claims and subscribers to see what claims they filed. So I just hit the super join builder and it shows me things visually in Nexus, and I see what it joins to subscribers. There's my tables. All I have to do now is pick the columns I want on the report, and the SQL is built for me, and there I'm ready to run this query. Let's order the data so we can analyze it. I want to show you what we're dealing with in this claims data. So let's run the query. Our query is now set, and as you can see, we have a subscriber 1,000,001. We have 9 rows here. It's the Anderson family. So a subscriber number is a family. Subscriber 1,000,002, that's the Baker family. So subscriber number is a family, but member number, there's 3 members, Linda, Michael, and Bill Anderson. Subscriber number is their family, but the combination of subscriber number, member number is an individual. Linda Anderson, subscriber 1,000,001, member 1. So now that we've got that, let's put our row number in, and I'll show you some pretty amazing things. Now, a row number is an ordered analytic. So I'm going to type in row underscore number and open paren, close paren, because it's an analytic, an ordered analytic. It's really a function. I put the word over in. You'll see that always on any type of ordered analytic. And then I tell it how I want it to order the data first. Order by subscriber number and member number first before you do any calculations. We'll call this my row. Let's make this, we'll go into view and we'll make this in light mode. So here's my query, and we got our row number. The data will first be sorted by subscriber number, member number, and then it'll put a row number across each row, starting with number 1 down to 2000. So we get our data. We see our subscriber, member, last name, first name, claim date, claim amount. But then the data is sorted like we told it to. It actually does this first. Sort the data by subscriber number, and within subscriber number, member number, and do that all the way down. Now that the data is sorted, I want you to go to row 1 and put a row number 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's 2,000 rows, so it goes from 1 to 2,000 as a row number. Not a big deal. When I first saw this, I said, hey, what's the big deal? Now, let's get serious. We're going to partition by subscriber number. When you say partition by in any ordered analytic, what it means is I want to group by subscriber number or reset the calculation when I change subscribers. And within subscriber number, I'll order by member. So it'll still be sorted by subscriber number, the partition, and within that member number. So we run this, okay? Watch how this worked out. Subscriber 1,000,001 is first, and we can see our member numbers. Notice we have 9 claims because our row number goes from 1 to 9. But then when it goes to subscriber 1,000,002, the row number starts over, and I can see I've had 7 claims for the Baker family, and so on and so on. We'll get a reset of the row number calculation each time we change subscriber number or our partitions. And that's the way a partition works. Some think like a group by, or I think of it as reset the calculation with each change of subscriber number. Now, let's get really cleverly serious here. Watch what we're going to do here. I want to find the last claim for each individual person. So watch what we're going to do here. We're going to have to change our partition. This is partitioning by subscriber number only, which is the family. But I want it by each individual. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to partition by the subscriber number and the member number combination here. So that's how we'll reset when we go to a new subscriber member. And then we'll order within subscriber and member by claim date descending, which means within each individual, we'll see their first claim, their last claim first. All right. So as you can see here now, we can see that subscriber number 1,000,001 is up with member 1. This was Linda's last claim. Notice it's going to get a row number 1 because we're sorting by claim date descending. You see, we control when things are reset with a partition by, and we control how things are then sorted within that. So in each case where we got a my row 1, it's the last claim for that individual based on how we've sorted it. Now we're seeing the last claim for each individual, but we're also seeing their other claims. But we only want to see the last claim only. This is where Teradata does analytics about as good as anybody because they have a qualify statement, which is in a sense like a having statement for aggregation. Qualify means after everything's calculated, I want to further filter. It's almost like an additional where clause on the analytics. So I'm going to say qualify my row equals 1. And they go, oh, we're only seeing now the last claim for each individual because I have the my row equals 1. That was every person's last claim. Now watch what we're going to do here. I want to find the first 2 claims for each individual. So we'll still partition by subscriber number, member number, but we'll order by claim date ascending, which will give us the first 2. And then when I qualify my row, I just do it less than 3, and they go, oh my goodness, there was Linda Anderson's first 2 claims and Michael Anderson's first 2 claims. Ooh, this is really powerful. Now this is going to be absolutely brilliant. Watch this. I want to see the first 2 claims for each individual only, but I don't want to see the my row column in there with the 1 and the 2. Watch what we're going to do here. We're going to take the row number out of the select list and we're going to put it down in the qualify area. So I take it out of here. I'm going to qualify, not my row, but I'll take and qualify and I'll run this entire row number again. Qualify row number over partition by subscriber member number, order by claim date ascending, less than 3. And now I'm getting the first 2 claims for each individual without seeing the row number. And that's how clever Teradata uses the row number analytic. You want to find specific rows, first or last, first 2, whatever you want, use the row number command to get it done. Thank you for coming. The Nexus has been built for 18 years. You can download a free trial at coughingdw.com. If you're interested in purchasing, email me at sales@coughingdw.com. Hey, here's my cell phone. You want to talk about it? Give me a call. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.